Hello, medical assistant students. I have another scenario, medication order, to review with you, um, having to deal with some decimal points here. So let's get started. Again, the concept is still the same. You've got your equations, one of the two you can use, d over h equals x over b, or a equals d over h times q. All right, now we have to find what the information and plug it into our equation. So the provider orders 0.5 milligrams of lorazepam, otherwise known as Ativan, to be administered by mouth, PO, twice a day, or BID, as needed, which is PRN. The medication is available in, again, on hand, 0.25 milligram tablets. All right. So D is the doctor's order, 0.5 milligrams. What we have on hand, so that's the 0.5 milligrams the doctor ordered. What we have on hand is 0.25 milligram equals X over V. The vehicle is tablets, so one tab of the 25 milligram. And so then we are going to get rid of our milligram, and then we're going to cross multiply. So it's 0.5 tab equals 0.25 x. Remember, we have to get x by itself on the right side of the equation. So we're going to divide by 2.5 on each side. 0. Sorry, not 2.5, 0.25. Hello. This crosses each other out, and then we can do the equation. So remember, the bottom number in your fraction goes on the outside of the division problem. So 0.25 into 0.5. All right, now this is one where it's a little bit tricky. Some people forget what they have to do with a decimal point when it's on the outside of the division sign. I cannot divide this like that. So I'm going to get rid of my decimal point by moving it over 2 spaces. But what I do on the outside of the division sign, I have to do the same thing on the inside. So I'm going to move it over 2 spaces. 1, 2, there's an imaginary 0 right there. So really, what I did is I converted it, and we now have 25 goes into 50, and 25 into 50 is 2 times. 2 25s is 150. If you think about it in a matter of quarters, like a dollar bill equals 4 quarters. So 2 quarters is 50 cents. So your answer is 2. And then 2 tabs equals X. So on this one, you're going to give your patient 2 tabs. Same concept over here, A equals D over H times Q. So the D is the 0.5 milligrams over 0.25 milligrams times 1 tab. You're going to divide, cross those off, do this division problem again, and you'd get 2 times 1 tab, which is 2 tabs. All right. Hopefully you guys are getting this.